Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I want to record a makeup tutorial because I can't do a vlog right now. I put on my rings because I feel so naked without rings. So yeah, I wanted to record a vlog, and to be honest, it ain't gonna work. So I'm going to record a makeup tutorial, but with a new lens today. I'm always using my phone to edit, record, and I make my thumbnails on. Like, I ain't got a camera, I don't have a laptop, I don't have any of those things to do videos with. But you know what, I'm not complaining, because as long as I'm able to still put up videos and make videos and edit them and whatnot, do it on my phone. So what I'm gonna use today is one of my lenses. This is the 0.67x wide macro lens. It says it right there. You guys won't be able to see it really well, it's hella blurry, but I'm gonna clean it with one of these, and then it will show it a little bit more wider, so you'll see the difference. Then we're gonna put it at the outer corner. I do like a Halloween look, low-key. This is orange and black. Halloween's kind of like orange and yellow and black. Shade right here. This shade or this shade. My mom's gonna think I'm showing off my nails, but this shade, and this shade is calling my name. Use that one. Like, how can you not? How can you not? That was like the most nicest and simplest swatch ever. I didn't even have to like press on. It was just smooth as butter. It's funny how we relate everything towards food. This looks like a little blueberry green tea, you know, hamburger sauciness. I don't know, I guess. What if I take off the lens? Hold on. Yes, you guys see way better without the lens. That's how it's turning out. So sorry I put you guys through that. I think I'm gonna turn it off for now. Yeah, so this is the No Problem Primer Smooth and Pore Covering Top Secret for Perfect Makeup. Look like this, and we're gonna put 2 drops. So 1, 2, because you guys think I might be putting a lot, but my pores are like bigger than your issues. I'm just kidding. I got the face looking a little set. I just really hate these bumps that's being shown. I think I over contoured, because I can't really find shades to contour with, so I go with eyeshadows that is something I could contour with. So that's what I did, and this side looks more orangey and brown than this side. This is the gloss I got from there too. This is by Even New York 24-Hour Jelly Lip Gloss, long last wear, and this one's in Face. So the mascara I'm gonna be using, because I got this in a BoxyCharm box. I didn't show you guys the products I got inside, but I will. This, and also this, and also a highlighter that I just used are what I got in the box. So these 3, and another thing. I have it in the bathroom. So everybody raves about this mascara. I personally feel like it's just like a regular mascara. So my face looks crazy and insane. I'm sorry, it looks like over the top. But see how this one looks like more orangey than this side? And it's like more down. I know, I'm gonna continue doing my makeup, okay? Don't get on my head. But that's the finished look. I know I look crazy. Oh, I need to spray my face so I won't look so powdery. Hold on. So yeah, this is the finished makeup look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this orangey brown smoky eye that I attempted to do, and I really like it. I wish I didn't have these acne marks, but other than that, we're finished. We're very dark, glowy. I love it. So I'll catch you guys next time on another tutorial, and yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to hit that bell button so that you guys can be notified as to when I upload a new video, because you might be interested in the next one. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.